So hi, my name is James. I'm the captain here on sailing vessel 7, and 7 is a Voyage 590 manufactured in South Africa, now doing charters in the British Virgin Islands. I'm a 25-year PADI instructor, so we do offer diving on our charters, and we take 10 passengers in quite luxurious surroundings around the beautiful waters of the British Virgin Islands. We do offer diving for certified divers, and we offer the resort course as well, so first-timers can try it out during the charter, and on request we will consider dive certifications as well.
Awesome.
This is a brand new 2023 Voyage 590, so it's new to the fleet, and it's the only privately owned Voyage 590 outside of Voyage yacht charters. We do have our brand new scuba equipment, so we're carrying 10 tanks and 6 sets of brand new dive gear. So if you need to use dive gear while you're on your holiday, you don't have to carry it down. We can provide the dive gear for you. Of course, you're welcome to bring your own dive kit if you're a certified diver as well. We have a nice brand new high field tender with a 70 horsepower engine, along with the water toys for the kids and the adults to scoot along behind it. All your floating relaxation toys, water dock, so for a nice relaxing time out of the water. We'll go forward. Yes, so we also have the rest of our water toys. We have brand new stand-up paddle boards, 2 of those, and also a brand new kayak that can actually take 3 people out on the water. So we have our sun loungers, and a nice feature of this boat is we have the ability to offer an open air cinema in the evenings. So the glass panel in front of the galley opens up completely, so we can pass through your popcorn, your cocktails. You can lounge here, sit up on the top deck, and we can screen movies on nice evenings. If the weather is not suitable for movies outdoors, our back shade rolls down in the aft cockpit, and we can also screen films there. So we have the ability to show some movies at nighttime. And a very nice big relaxing flybridge, so loungers and sofas. Also areas up here so we can serve cocktails or snacks up here on the flybridge. This can be open for a nice sea breeze, 360-degree views. And also what I like as a captain is as I'm sailing, I can also be interactive with the guests that are on board, pointing out the sights of the Virgin Islands, the wildlife, etc. That screen right there can actually become a movie screen as well. Or the kids or the teenagers can hook up their game consoles. They can be doing some gaming up here while the adults have their time down below. So you can separate groups into different areas based on the activities they want to enjoy in the evening times. And it's a little breezy today.
Yes. Very because it's too much.
A little breeze. We also have a fridge here. This didn't come standard on the 590, so we have a drinks, a beverage cooler right there for you. Been teaching diving for 25 years. 5 of those years right here in the British Virgin Islands.
So you know the area very well.
I know the area very, very well, yeah.
What's your favorite dive site?
I would say there's a site on the north side of Joost van Dyke called Twin Towers. It's not very accessible in rough weather, but when the conditions are right, it's a fantastic dive. I've seen dolphins there. We often see sharks there, so that's a great site. But also, though, you can't beat the Rhone for the history, and it's a fantastic wreck dive. So we also have seating for at least 10 guests. We have a massive, massive saloon table here, so you can enjoy meals together as a group in the evening. Nice built-in integrated barbecue for serving meat dishes. Our bar set up. We have 2 massive drink fridges, ice maker outside, so it's well suited for entertaining in this area as well. This whole glass panel opens up, and the one at the front, in front of the galley, opens up, so we get breeze all the way through the cabin. So we're set up for 10 passengers in 5 double cabins. So one nice feature you notice with the cabins is the beautiful artwork on the wall, the photographs. The owner is an avid diver and underwater photographer, and each cabin has a separate photograph that he took. So that's a nice little touch from the owners in each cabin. And this is set up for chartering. So all the cabins are roughly equal size. There's a slight layout difference, but there's no one grand owner's cabin and a few other smaller cabins. All the cabins are equally designed and spaced. So every
How high are you?
I'm 6 feet tall, 183 centimeters, and I have plenty of space. Yeah.
And all of them have a toilet.
Yeah. So this is a little bit unique. We have the vanity here in the cabin, which frees up some space. So we have a full shower, and it's a dry shower, so you don't get the whole head wet when you shower. And again, full standing room in the showers. So you can see same size cabin. This berth is fore and aft. The other berth was beam across, but very, very similar size. So same headroom, same space, same vanity. Yeah, so a nice feature, it is an enclosed shower, so you're not getting the shower water all over the cabin or the head. Yeah.
My name is Kaka, and I'm the chef on 7. And yeah, what I need to do now?
This is your office.
Yes.
What do
this
you
is my
like the
office.
most of your office?
I think that the best feature is convection, because when this can be open, it's not going to lose the heat. So when we have a window open, so it's going to keep the heat at the same level. I think that my favorite is spinach pancakes with grilled salmon and buttercream lemon sauce. So it's very simple, but it tastes nice, and you can serve it as a lunchtime or as a starter before the dinner on the night. So yeah, it's very nice.
I'm Alicia. I'm the stewardess on board 7. I have a lot of experience in making cocktails. I have over 5+ years hostess experience. I've worked on board large super yachts and smaller yachts as well. So I'm excited to host you and your party. We look forward to welcoming you on board 7 soon. Okay. What do we say?
What do we say? You can have the blooper reel. I'd like to welcome you aboard Sailing Us.
Oh no, say it.
Just you say it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Next.